premium diesel fuel that works as hard as you do, all year round. Cenex premium diesel fuels deliver the power and performance you need to get the job done. They're precisely formulated with a terminally injected additive package that's enhanced with aggressive detergents to clean the entire fuel system better than any formula that's come before. Cenex premium diesel fuels are 40% more effective at breaking down harmful deposits and 2.5 times more effective at cleaning up injector deposits and preventing further buildup when added to dirty equipment, so you maintain an ideal fuel injector spray pattern for a cleaner, more complete burn. So what, you ask? Cleaner fuel injectors give you more power, better fuel economy. Cleaner engines reduce maintenance and repairs, decreasing downtime your business can't afford. Cenex premium diesel fuels keep engines running cleaner, stronger, and longer, even in the toughest conditions. And they're available when you need them, where you need them. Keep your operation in top shape with Cenex Roadmaster XL and Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster. Better fuels for better performance, period. Cenex, fueled by innovation, powered to perform.